Good day everyone, we are the researchers from Taysan Settlement Integrated School and today we will present our study entitled
Development of portable solar charger for emergency needs in senior high school. This study developed a portable solar charger for senior high school students at Isana Settlement Integrated School to address power interruptions affecting device charging for communication and academics. Using local materials, the system was reliable, compact, and cost-efficient with charging efficiency comparable to commercial models. Its lightweight design is useful during outrages or disasters, demonstrating sustainable, renewable energies potential, resilient educational environments.
Reliable electricity is vital for education, but power interruptions at Island Settlement Integrated School Senior High School disrupt learning, especially critical during emergencies as the Philippines face frequent natural hazards and school service serve as evacuation hubs. Solar energy is a sustainable solution with portable chargers offering flexible fuel-free power. This research develops and evaluates a tailored portable solar charger to enhance preparedness and support the school community.
Literature review. The demand of reliable, sustainable energy has led to the development of solar-powered service, which are clean and practical for areas with power interruptions. Studies confirm portable solar charger effectively provide emergency backup power are easy to use and support critical communication. In schools, especially those in rural or the settlement area with unstable power, they enhance preparedness, promote environmental awareness, and serve as educational tools. Developing a tailored charger for the settlement integrated schools, senior high school is relevant and timely, addressing this while advancing sustainability.
The main objective is to develop a portable solar charger for the school senior high students' emergency needs. Specifically, it will be designed and constructed with its charging efficiency, usability, and reliability evaluated while promoting awareness of renewable energy. Data was analyzed using quantitative and qualitative methods. Quantitative metrics like charging time and voltage was assessed with table and stats, while qualitative feedback on usability and satisfaction was organized and interpreted. Combined analysis evaluated effectiveness with recommendation based on results. Data gathering included planning and preparing materials, assembling the device, testing it under observing use by students and teachers, and collecting feedbacks via questionnaires and interviews. Data was analyzed to assess the charger's effectiveness and reliability.
Result and discussion. The portable solar charger developed was functional, reliable, and effectively charging a standard mobile phone in 3 to 4 hours on average. Feedback from students and teachers noted it was easy to use, portable, and safe, while it is also increasing awareness of renewable energy. The device serves as both a practically emergency power solution and an educational tool for promoting sustainability and preparedness, demonstrating solar technology's potentials as a reliable, eco-friendly, cost-effective option for schools.
Conclusion and recommendations. Based on the findings of the study, it can be concluded that the development of portable solar charger for senior high school students in Resettlement Integrated School was successful and effective in addressing emergency power needs. The device proved to be functional, reliable, and safe, capable of charging mobile phones and other small electronic devices during power outages. and emergency situations. It was also found to be portable and user-friendly, making it practical tool for students in school and outdoor activities. Furthermore, the use of solar charger helped increase awareness of renewable energy and its importance, sustainability, and environmental responsibility. Therefore, it is recommended that the school for portable solar chargers as part of emergency train students and teachers in their proper use and maintenance, and encourage future researchers to develop improved versions with higher capacity, faster charging, and additional features to further support school and community energy needs.
The acknowledgement of our research. The researchers would like to express their deepest gratitude to God Almighty for the guidance, strength, and wisdom given throughout the conduct of this study on the development of a portable solar charger for emergency needs in senior high school students at a Sanar Settlement Integrated School. Our heartfelt thanks also go to our advisor, Sir Arnold Piyudike, for the continued support, guidance, and constructive suggestions and greatly contributed to the completion of this research. We were also thankful to the administration, teachers, and students of Taysan Settlement Integrated School for their cooperation, valuable insights, and participation in the study. Finally, we extend our appreciation to our family and friends for the encouragement and moral support, which motivated us to successfully finish this research.
So this is our product. Its mainly purpose is for emergency needs. Whenever the electricity shortage, we can use portable solar charger, which is usable for sunlight.
And for our materials, we use solar panel, plywood, steel, foam, bracket, cable, wire, adapter, connector.
So this is how it works. We're just going to put it in a sunlight. Step 1. And grab your phone and put the connector on the adapter. And that's it, that is charged like that.